Hello, now I will explain how to view category-wise sales report in Vatrix POS. So first go to reports, then under report select category-wise sales report. Select the from date and to date, to which dates you want to view category-wise sales report. You can also select if you have multi-location, you can select locations here. Then click on generate report button. The report is generated with total sales return and net totals. Also you can view all the category wise sales here. For example, under cold drinks category I have this much item sale and the total here, and under cold sandwich I have this much item sale along with total. You can also print this report by clicking on the print button, and you can also export this to Excel by clicking on to Excel button, which will open in Excel. So this is how you view category wise sales report in Vatrix POS system. Thank you.